Welcome back students. Today we are going to discuss new topic from history textbook, new questions and ideas. In this topic we will discuss about Buddhism and Jainism. As you know, there are different religion practiced in different parts of India and also in the world. Even today, Jainism and Buddhism is practiced in different parts of India and also in the world. So, we will know detail about Buddhism and Jainism. So, the story of Buddha. Gautam Buddha was born about 2500 years ago. His original name was Siddharth. He was the founder of Buddhism. When he was young, he left the comforts of life in search of knowledge. In search of knowledge, he wandered for several years, holding meetings and discussion with many thinkers. Finally, he decided to find his own way for realization. He meditated for days on end under a peepal tree at Bodh Gaya in Bihar, where he attained enlightenment. After that, he was known as Buddha or the wise man. Then he went to Sarnath near Varanasi, where he taught his first teaching. Thus he spent his life for teaching to the people from place to place, and he tried to make life of the people happy. Teachings of Buddha. Buddha taught that life is full of suffering and unhappiness, and the main cause of suffering and unhappiness were craving and desires. So he taught the people to remove craving and desires which were responsible for the unhappiness and suffering in everybody's life. He also taught to be kind and respect the lives of others, including animals. Buddha used language of ordinary people called Prakrit to teach his teaching. Prakrit means the language of common people or ordinary people, which was used during the ancient time by the people. For example, Bengali was the Prakrit language of Bengal. Magadhi was the Prakrit language of Magadha. So, like this, Gautam Buddha used the language of common people, ordinary people, to taught his teaching so that everybody should become happy in his life. Now we'll discuss about Jainism. Jainism was founded by Vardhaman Mahavir. He was the most famous thinker of Jains. He founded Jainism about 2500 years ago. At the age of 30, he left home and went to live in a forest in search of knowledge. For 12 years, he led a hard and lonely life. At the end, he attained enlightenment. He taught a simple doctrine that men and women who wish to know the truth must leave their homes. They must follow the rules of ahimsa. Ahimsa means not hunting and killing of living beings, including animals. He used Prakrit language to teach his teaching among the people. Like Gautam Buddha, he also used the language of ordinary people, common men, to taught his teaching. Followers of Mahavir were called Jains. Jainism spread to different parts of northern India, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So with this, we discuss about two new religions which were came into existence about 2500 years ago, that is Buddhism and Jainism. Now we'll discuss about Sangha and Monasteries. Sangha. Sangha means an association of those who left their homes. The Buddhists and Jains formed such Sangha. They led a very simple life and also called bhikshu or monks as they beg for food for fixed time. You can see here in the picture the monks or bhikshu. Monasteries. Monasteries are permanent shelter place of both Jains and Buddhists. Monasteries were also called as viharas. So you can see here the picture of monasteries. So with this, we complete the topic new questions and idea. In this topic, you learn about, you have idea about the concept of new religion which were founded about 2500 years ago, that is Buddhism by Gautam Buddha and Jainism by Bhagwan Mahavir. So with this, you have completed the topic, and if you have any difficulty in understanding the concept or any terms or any unit, please call or message. Thank you.